On the 7th of March 2023, the Court of Appeal was giving a judgment as part of the long-running dispute between Enoch Burke and Wilson's Hospital School. Some of his family became disruptive, the court had to rise, and when they refused to leave, Gardaí removed them from the courtroom. His brother and sisters, Simeon and Ami, filed complaints with GSOC over the Garda conduct and an investigation commenced. As part of this, GSOC sought the background audio recording from the courtroom, known as the ambient DAR, which remains on after the court has risen. Enoch Burke opposed this on a number of grounds, including that it's not part of the actual proceedings, it breached his privacy, and that it amounted to covert surveillance. But today, the Court of Appeal said it was nothing of the sort, finding it had jurisdiction to order its release and that it was appropriate to do so. Delivering the unanimous judgment, Mr Justice John Edwards said that the disruptive and disrespectful conduct by some people in the Court of Appeal that day, which caused the court to have to rise and continued in the courtroom and its environs for some time afterwards, represented an uninterrupted continuum of unacceptable behaviour which was part of the proceedings, adding that audio of the disruption was recorded and was a contemporaneous record of those proceedings. Mr Justice Edwards said that the complaint here was alleged use of excessive force causing injury, so he was satisfied that criminal offences were being investigated and that the ambient DAR could contain objective evidence which pointed to the guilt or the innocence of Gardaí involved, so it was necessary for the investigation. He said its release was also proportional, as this was a serious matter which could ultimately result in imprisonment or dismissal from the force for the Gardaí involved if there was a conviction. Enoch Burke was produced from Mountjoy today and sat quietly in the dock, while his family did not interrupt proceedings either, though he said afterwards he was appalled at the court's decision. Nicole Gernon, Virgin Media News at the Court of Appeal.